Danny, I have to take some advice from a friend who's almost Yoda-like, and his name's Craig Stanaway, and he thinks about the shark versus the sheep. How do my eyes look? Terrible.
No, you're good. You're good. Just wipe the tears.
Okay, me going, what are you doing in there? I'm really professional.
It's gonna take an hour. This is the episode, guys. Thank you for joining us today. Oh, this is going to be good.